Are you serious? Hide and seek? I'm in my 20s, like, no offense, but...
I know. But come on, it's his birthday, and plus, he's kinda drunk, so...
So?
And, bet a little money.
On what exactly?
Well, that he won't find us. He wants to be the seeker, after all.
How much did you bet?
Um, $50?
Oh wow, this suddenly became interesting, not gonna lie.
It's not like the others have a chance against us either. Everyone's so drunk.
I think I am a bit too... Man, those ciders were kinda strong, what the fuck?
Well, we better go hide, 'cause, look, he's already starting to count.
Lead the way. Can't wait to get my $25.
What? Uh, anyway, how about this closet?
Yeah, should work.
Get in, quick!
It's a bit tight. Ow!
What happened? Are you okay?
It's nothing. It's nothing. Ow, I just stubbed my toe. It's so fucking dark in here.
Yeah, I know.
Then turn on the light.
He's gonna see it through the crack in the door.
Oh my god, you're taking this way too seriously.
I'm taking it too seriously? What was that about you taking $25 from the money I bet?
Shh, we better stay quiet. We gotta win this thing.
Funny how money changes people.
What's in this closet? There's like a bunch of boxes here?
Right? It's weird.
I kind of want to open one.
What? Why?
To see what's inside.
What? Come on, stop. Focus on the game, or I don't know, the money.
Come on, fuck it, just one.
No. What's that smell?
I don't know. It smells like wood?
Well, what's inside the goddamn box?
Oh, I can't really see it, but it feels like wood shavings when I run my hands through it.
Sawdust, then?
Sawdust? No. It can't be. Why the hell would there be a box full of sawdust inside a closet?
Beats me. But why are you so concerned all of a sudden?
Fuck, sawdust always makes me sneeze. I don't know why.
What? You can't sneeze now. You just can't.
I know that, but I can already feel my nostrils like flaring up.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You're not gonna, are you?
It's my allergies. I can't help it.
No. Please don't sneeze. I don't want to lose $50.
20, 25, 25. Chew.
Bless you. Now that you've got that out of your system, can you please keep quiet?
I'm not dead. Oh no. Chew. Chew.
Tell me you're done now. You got all of the sawdust out of your nose. Now stay quiet.
Oh shit, my sneezes are making the sawdust swirl around this tiny closet. Oh no. Oh no.
I know. I can feel it in my eyes. I can almost taste the damn stuff. You gotta stop sneezing.
I'm trying. I truly am. But my sneezes kind of made it worse.
Don't you dare sneeze again.
Trust me, I don't want to sneeze, but my nose is begging for it. I need to sneeze so bad.
It is just a bit of sawdust. Don't be so dramatic.
Don't say that word.
What? Sawdust?
Oh, stop saying it. I'm trying not to think about it. God, my nose is so itchy. I gotta sneeze. Oh my God, I gotta sneeze. No, 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 no. Please, no, not now.
Please don't. You're gonna make it worse.
I know, but it's right on the edge. I can't hold it back any longer.
No, don't sneeze.
I'm gonna
Don't
sneeze.
sneeze.
I'm gonna. Phew. 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 Phew.
You gotta stop.
I can't. Fucking sawdust makes my allergies go haywire every time.
You know when someone starts sneezing, it kinda makes me need to sneeze too. So you gotta stop.
Yeah, I know. You and your crazy nose.
My crazy nose? Look who's talking.
Look, I just have allergies. You're the one with the fucking weird nose, like who sneezes from hearing someone else sneeze.
But I won't sneeze if you stop sneezing.
No. No promises, I'm sorry.
Please don't sneeze. One more and you'll send me over the edge.
I can't. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna.
No, here, I'll put my finger under your nose.
Oh my God, you're actually making it worse. You're actually making it worse. You're making the tickle stronger somehow.
No, here, I'll press harder.
It's not. It's not working. It's not working. I can't. I gotta sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Phew. 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 Phew.
Your sneezes. Fuck, I need to sneeze too. I gotta
Don't
sneeze.
sneeze.
I gotta sneeze.
Don't sneeze. Don't
It's your
sneeze. This
sneezes.
closet can't take
Fuck,
any more sneezes.
I can't help it. I'm gonna. Achoo, 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 achoo.
God, your sneezes are making the more sawdust fly around. I'm good. Phew. 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 Phew.
Bless you.
Oh my god, what the hell happened in here? Why does it look like a sawmill inside my closet?
We can explain.
I can't stop sneezing.
And that made me start sneezing.
Well, I found you idiots, so guess who wins?
Oh man. There goes my $50.
50? Oh hell yeah. Pay up.
Phew. Fuck, sorry.
Ooh, bless.
Sympathetic sneezes. What can I say? It's weird and it's rare, but it's real.
Yeah, I don't care. Okay, stop sneezing on me and get out of the damn closet. Alright, see ya, losers.
You still owe me $25.
Shut up.